Yes guys, so today after filming the video, and a camera that I used didn't record the audio, but we're using another camera, but I just didn't realise I was editing before that there was no audio on the smaller GoPro camera, so that was brilliant. So I'm just going to do an introduction. So we're doing my mate's Outlaw Intercooler on his ST, because he's going stage 2 soon. So we're going to get that on, and then all he needs to do is decat it and then straight to stage 2. One thing I need to do before the video starts is I need to run through where the bolts were to undo the bumper to get it off. Now I've got 1 litre EcoBoost, as you all know, and the fitment is basically the same as the ST. So I'm just going to quickly show you where to locate the bolts to get the bumper off. Right, this isn't really ideal, seems like my headlights are still in and I can't be arsed taking them out. But where this joins here, you've got a bolt here and a bolt out there on the inside of here. So you undo them on either side, and then obviously you've got to undo this, that for your headlight, and these bolts here, and that one. And then once you've undone all of them, so all of this actually comes off, then you need to go into your wheel arch, and down here on the STs there's bolts in here. You'll need to undo them bolts as well, which I think is shown on the video in audio anyway. Struggles 101 with Sam and Luke. I'm gonna call the video.
No, there's definitely something underneath. Why wouldn't there be some underneath? There's clips underneath, I know that, but there's definitely some bolts.
So we missed bolts, which are down here. It's like maximum fitment. Buy an RS bumper and have an inch gap. So one thing we missed is Ford clips beneath here. Shit ones. Oh. What's Harley?
Some weird shit things.
Oh, that one's off. Yeah, so if you can see down there, which you can't because the lighting's shit. But yeah, there's a Ford clip about here, just below your windscreen fluid, and that'll be the same for both sides, and then it should come off. So yeah guys, one thing we nearly forgot, you've got your bumper protector underneath your car. I can't show it on video because the camera won't go under there, it's not small enough. But yeah, there's a bumper protect, and that bumper protect needs to come off, which is just, it's easy, it's just a couple of Ford clips, the rivet sort of things, so they just come out, and then she'll be able to fully remove the bumper. fucking finally.
Bloody finally. Someone liked you, the blanket thing there.
I got the blanket from there. Nice.
Nice one, brother.
I may just leave like that.
Yeah. Look at my ITG.
I need to remove this. Yeah.
Right, you have 2 bolts under it there. That'll be like about there. And there's just these little like fucking push clips there, but they just do nothing, so there's no point. Undo the hose clamps. And then it should.
Alright, if you just keep pulling it, it'll come off. Oh, bye. Oh no. Time to put this on. Yeah. I bet you just run it with that one. What are you thinking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Massive boost leak.
Massive boost leak.
Right, what?
Slow as shit anyway.
Yeah. Hold on that end of this piece of shit. Hold that up. I don't really need to have it in the pipes just yet, but...
Okay, it's in the pipe.
Ah, right, yes, is that...
Yeah, that is a ball light, you know. Why aren't they facing the other way? Luke,
What?
the hose clips. They should be the other way, shouldn't they?
Pull it out.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just sort of looped it up.
Do you know where it's meant to slide into the other side?
The hole.
Yeah, there's like a little groove there for the knob on the top.
What? Oh, so that little stick out thing rests on the top?
Yeah. So why the fuck is this really meant to do that?
This is about the 3rd time this kid's made us take this off. Oh, you got armour. Run.
Someone's up in that taxi. Oh, no, push me out. Yeah, we'll just make life easy.
Don't lose that again. Look, I think you got anger problems, mate. Long day. I'm rating. We robbed that. And put it on this, Mike. Yeah, Mike.
This is where you mount it to, mate. And you see the fucking shit design of this? It goes into plastic. Yeah.
Oh. Oh no.
So that's the issue.
Two 2,000 years later.
Now that's finally on, we can start to put the bumper back on, which is gonna be fun. Right, we've finally done it, guys. Finally done it. Got the bumper back on, everything's working, no warning lights on the dash. Finally done it. All I need to do now, get that headlight in, and then we've smashed it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.